Hey guys, we're just going to do a quick little bike check. Charlie, you tell them about your bike.
My bike is a Mongoose Chamber. It has Odyssey tyres, Primo, whatever they're called, pedals, Monster sticker, United bars, salt grips, Amity brake lever, Explosia plasmatics, and Mongoose cassette. That's not too bad. A cart, I don't know what that's called, whatever that seat is. Pivotal seat. And a higher standard Mongoose stem. And let's move on to Jay's work.
Hi, yeah, I'm Jay and this is my bike. I ride the We the People Reason 2011. I have the We the People Reason forks. I have an Amity brake, like wireline, salt lever, ODI extra long legs, orange. I have a Shadow Conspiracy chain, a 3-piece salt crank, a salt sprocket. I have exposure brakes, like Charlie. I have a Maxxis ring worm on the back and a salt pitch load tyre on the front. Well, I am getting fat tyres anyway, and I have a We the People suede seat, pivotal like Charlie's. Well, that's pretty much all I can say about my bike. My cassette ain't loud, I just need to clean it again.
And you forgot about the salt headset.
Yeah, I got my salt headset, and I got a salt stem. And I just got, I got Trinity bearings off my mate. They do run pretty smooth and pretty nice. Yeah, I'd advise you to buy them, but they are quite expensive.
We're gonna go, okay, like and subscribe.